Welcome to today's video on welding consumables every workshop must stock. Whether you're a professional welder or just starting out, having the right consumables on hand is essential for smooth operations, high-quality results, and safety in the workshop. In this video, we'll walk you through the must-have welding consumables that keep every project running efficiently. In any welding workshop, having the right consumables readily available is essential for ensuring smooth operations, consistent quality, and reduced downtime. Welding consumables are the materials that get used up during the welding process, and stocking them in advance helps workshops remain efficient and productive. 1. Welding electrodes and filler wires. Electrodes and filler wires are at the heart of welding. Depending on the welding method, whether stick welding, MIG, or TIG, having a variety of electrodes, such as E6013 or E7018, and filler wires ensures welders can tackle different jobs, from structural steel to stainless applications. 2. Shielding gas. For MIG and TIG welding, shielding gas is critical to protect the weld pool from atmospheric contamination. Common gases include argon, carbon dioxide, or their blends. Keeping cylinders filled and available prevents delays during ongoing projects. 3. Nozzles, contact tips, and gas diffusers. These small parts may seem minor, but they wear out quickly. Stocking replacements for contact tips, nozzles, and diffusers ensures uninterrupted welding and consistent arc performance. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.